Hi everyone, I want to talk about this revolver, but first, I'm in a room under construction, that's why it might be a little bit echoey, and that's why there's spackling on the wall. I want to talk about this revolver. Now, what is this revolver? It is empty. This revolver is a revolver chambered in .32 Smith & Wesson long. Now, there are two different stories on this gun. This gun is under a company that now makes bicycles and does not have a history of their revolvers. They got rid of all their history. However, it could have been made in Spain. It also could have been a contract by Smith & Wesson. Now, I've talked to a gunsmith who said it looks like a contract gun, but I'm not going to say it is without any proof. So, right now, I'm just calling it a Spanish revolver because that's what it is. Regardless if it was made by Smith & Wesson or a clone of a Smith & Wesson hand ejector, it's a Spanish hand ejector. So, it's a Spanish revolver. Like I said at the beginning, chambered in .32 Smith & Wesson long. And you can fire .32 short, Smith & Wesson short out of it. Do not fire any of the .32 Colt ammo out of this gun. It will not work. It will probably blow up. Story of this gun. Now, these were police guns, and they were used by the military in small amount of numbers during World War I, like everything else. The Spanish really just threw guns at everyone. There are Spanish French pistols, meaning the Spanish made it for the French. There are, of course, the Astras, stuff like that, which were clones of other guns. The Spanish really were the first Turkish gun makers. If you don't understand that, Turkey makes a lot of clones, like the Canik being a Walther clone, the PX9, the pistol I own, being a Springfield clone, so on and so on. Well, Spain was the first one that started that. So, like I said, it could either be a contract from Smith & Wesson or a Spanish clone. Whatever it is, it really is gorgeous. The bluing is still really pretty in my opinion, besides up near the barrel. The barrel has little bluing left on both sides. The cylinder still has a lot of bluing. The action, once again, just to show you it is empty. The action is very smooth. Nothing like my old my old Nagant revolver. So, yeah, it's a really cool pistol. And I'll try to get some pictures up for you guys at the end, showing more about this gun or where these guns came from. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.